You want to yeah? Have to make this हो
काय केलंय तू हे? What is this? असा
This is what. हाँ तो starting मस्त when I touch it, so jump, run away. So always and big so.
काय केलंस तू?
जोरात रब अशी थोडी मागे होणार ए बेटा उभं बेटा चला हां स्टार्ट
First sense organ eyes. I can see with my eyes. Second sense organ nose. I can smell with my nose. Third sense organ ear. I can. Fourth sense organ tongue. I can.
I can say
I can taste with my tongue. Last sense organ teeth.
पूर्वा
Thank you. Very good team participation. Very good.
This is the small intestine. It helps us get the thing we need from our food. This is the large intestine. It helps us get right of that thing we don't need. Legs are the ribs. They protect our heart and lungs. This is the hip bone. It helps us move our leg and hips. Wow! Is completely all working together to keep our body together to
व्यक्ती सांगितले
The part that connects the crowd and the sheep. Healthy kids start with knowing their part and giving them keep the environment. Thank you.
Good. Let's go back here. Hi, Doctor. Good morning. Bola. Good. Very good. Flowers, parts. Come on.
First part, small like the flower when second part petals colorful and part of the flower third part stem it has two parts and nut and stem first part and second part stem or two stop then parts of it. First, level, then already. It were most of the photosynthesis. Second, radio is not strong. This experiment is to understand how different substances blend in a mixed with water. For this experiment, I take 3 glasses filled with water, sugar, sand, oil, and spoon. First, I add 1 spoon of sugar and stir this well. Like that, you can see the sugar is dissolved. We can see the sugar is dissolved in water because it disappears in the water. This shows that sugar is soluble in water and use plant identification
Good.
It is the beginning source of plants like just like a baby grows into an adult. A tiny stem grows into a big tree. It takes water, air, soil, and water to grow.
सर एक मिनिट.
खूप मस्त. सुंदर कोऑर्डिनेशन. व्हेरी गुड. मस्त केलं सगळ्यांनी. त्या मुलांनी सांगितलं होतं की तुम्ही येणार आहात. खूप सुंदर चांगलं केलं आहे.
Good morning, respected parents, teachers, and my dear friends. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to the Middle School Science Model Room. Today is special for us. What you see here is not just a collection of models, but a result of a week of curiosity, teamwork, and determination. Our students have explored important topics such as human organ system, environmental protection, sustainable energy, agriculture, and the role of science in our daily lives. Sir, behind every model is a story of question asked, idea discussed, mistakes corrected, and imagination turned into reality. Through these exhibits, we have tried to understand real-life problems and present simple, practical, and eco-friendly solutions. We may be young, but our ideas are meaningful and our dreams are big. We first conducted class-level competitions, and only the best projects have been selected for display today. Every participant truly deserves appreciation for their efforts and creativity. As APJ Abdul Kalam said, dream, dream, dream. Dream transfer into thoughts and thoughts result in action. This reminds us that every great achievement begins with a dream. Today, through our models and ideas, we are turning those dreams into action. Sir, we hope you enjoy exploring these projects as much as we enjoy creating them. Thank you. Please feel free to interact with
Bye. Work झालं सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट. व्हेरी गुड. मस्त. बोला एअर प्युरिफिकेशन
Yes.
बंद नहीं करता है फास्ट कर
वर्ग आहे वगैरे त्यांना मिळत नाही मी काढून तेवढे पावडे येऊन गेले काही नाही चालते आणि मी इकडून पडत तरी नाही गोष्टींकडे लक्ष नाही द्यायचं मोठ्या कार्यक्रमात होतच असतं चालतं ठीक
जर की तुमचे कोलेस्ट्रॉल वाढेल तुमचे LDL सुद्धा वाढेल LDL आपल्या शरीरात आत जाऊन आपल्या नळात प्रत्यक्ष करते हे आहे LDL म्हणजे बॅड कोलेस्ट्रॉल चॉकलेट चिप्स ब्रेड आणि बिस्किट हे खाऊन आपल्या पोटात असू शकतो जर की तुम्हाला कोलेस्ट्रॉल कमी करायचे असेल जवार ड्रायफ्रूट बदाम हे खावे लागतात
आरामात भेटा
थोडं व्हायला पाहिजे थकावट पाहिजे
झाले हो 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 चालेल
अरे या एका वेळेला दोघं येणं जास्त advantage. Thank you. या कॅप्टन कॅप्टन प्लीज मस्त बोललीस खूपच सुंदर
सर सर तो सर त्याचा उपयोग झाला पहिले इकडे पाहून घेऊन मग पीपीटी सर पहिले पहिले हायस्कूल सर पहिले हायस्कूल करून
Thank you.
विभागाच्या तसेच
सिस्टम आहे.
gas exchange and supply of fuel and carbon dioxide from are included in upper respiratory, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs, and heart are included in lower
इकडचे पाहिलं नाही ना?
नाही सर.
नमस्कार सर. सर्वप्रथम मी सर्व मान्यवरांचं आमच्या प्रकल्प सादर करण्यात स्वागत करतो. माझं नाव शुद्धसेवक पराते आहे. मी आपल्या शाळेत नोकरी वर्गात आजच्या प्रकल्पाचा विषय आहे फ्युचर ऑफ वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट. आज आपल्या शहरामध्ये आजच्या काळात कचऱ्याची समस्या खूप वाढत चाललेली आहे. कचऱ्याची गाडी सोसायटीमध्ये अशी कामं नगरपालिका नागपूर महानगरपालिका गोळा केल्यानंतर समस्या आहे कचऱ्याची गाडी एखाद्या कचऱ्याचा डब्बा पूर्ण भरलेला नसतो. जर तिथे कचऱ्याच्या गाडीचा वेळ आणि इंधन हे दोघे खर्च तर ही समस्या आम्ही लक्षात घेऊन हा प्रकल्प तयार केलेला आहे. तिथे आम्ही वस्ती आणि इथे सोसायटीमध्ये 2 डस्टबिन लावलेले आहेत आणि याला 2 विशिष्ट नाव दिलेले आहेत. डस्टबिन नंबर 1 आणि डस्टबिन नंबर 2. त्या आतमध्ये सेन्सर लावलेले आहेत. जसं आपण डस्टबिन नंबर 1 जसं फुल झालं की थेट नोटिफिकेशन महानगरमध्ये येते आणि तसेच गाडी चालत की डस्टबिन नंबर 1 फुल, डस्टबिन नंबर 1 ज्यापर्यंत तो कचरा डब्बा खाली करणार नाही त्यापर्यंत कंटिन्यू आणि खाली केल्यानंतर कचरा डब्बा खाली केल्यानंतर आमच्या फॅक्टरीमध्ये
गेल्यावरती कचरा आहे त्याला सर्वप्रथम वेगळा बनवण्यासाठी म्हणजे वेट वेस्ट आणि ड्राय वेस्ट हा वेगळा करण्यासाठी. ड्राय वेस्ट म्हणजे कार्डबोर्ड, पेपर सारख्या गोष्टी इथे जाळल्यावरती हीट तयार होईल, त्यामुळे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाते.
काय म्हणतात काय म्हणतात जाळण्याच्या प्रक्रियेला काय इंधन तयार होताना आपल्याला एनर्जी मिळते. एक प्रोसेस होती ही सायन्टिफिक प्रोसेस आहे. याला जाळायचं की त्याच्याऐवजी अजून काही करता येईल. प्लास्टिक आहे, पेपर आहे, कार्डबोर्ड आहे. प्लास्टिक तर बाजूला काढतात, कार्डबोर्ड आहे, पेपर आहे, त्याला जाळायचं अच्छा त्याच्यावर उपयोग करून तुम्ही
याच्यातून
चालेल तुम्ही वापर केला
याच्यातून ब्लॅक कार्बन तयार झाला. आम्ही तो खिचला आणि ब्लॅक कार्बन तयार करून आम्ही याचा इंक बनवलेली आहे. पेंटमध्ये उपयोग केलं इत्यादी साह्यांवर आपण उपयोग करू शकतो. आणि इथे क्रशर लावलेला आहे. तो आपला ओला कचरा आहे. स्वयंपाक घरातून निघालेला कचरा, भाजीपाल्याचा कचरा, झाडांची पाण्याचा कचरा ते क्रश केल्यानंतर प्रक्रियेत आपण शेतीमध्ये उपयोग करू शकतो. जसं आपण हा सरकारी सर्व्हिस केलं तर सरकारच्या
त्यानंतर तिथे मिथेन गॅस तयार होतो त्या बंद असल्यामुळे आणि तिथे कार्बन डायऑक्साईड मिथेन गॅसचे प्रमाण 55-60% तिथे असल्यामुळे ते जी गॅस आहे प्युरिफाय करून आपण आपल्या घरच्या गॅस जे गॅस आहे तिथे वापरू शकतो इलेक्ट्रिसिटीमध्ये वापरू शकतो आणि तो उरलेला जो खराब आहे त्याला फर्स्टमध्ये
आमच्या प्रोजेक्टची वैशिष्ट्य म्हणजे कचऱ्याची गाडी ही योग्य स्थानी जाईल
आणि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिळेल गॅस जी गॅस आहे ती मिळेल असा
याच्यामध्ये आपण माहिती
लॉजिक लावलं
Next is a nucleus. Nucleus is the brain of the cell that controls all electricity and next is the Golgi complex. The first complex constituted by next is the vacuole. The first and very large
प्रायमरीचे पण आहे
Thank you. आमच्या मॉडेलचं नाव आहे ही आजची जीवनात
ठीक आहे, तुम्ही जमवा पहिले, बाकी यांना बघू जमा. ठीक आहे.
कोणता फोनमध्ये पाहिजे? यामध्ये हॉटस्पॉट पाहिजे. ओके ठीक. इकडे कनेक्ट करायचं. कोणता फोन हा कनेक्टेड कर.
Introduced to shapes, three-dimensional shape. First is polar, one edges, two faces, and one edges, one इसका बेस शेप सर्कल है. सेकंड इज क्यूबॉइड. क्यूबॉइड has 6 faces, 8 edges, 12 vertices. The base shape is rectangle. Third is cube. There 6 edges, 12 vertices, 8 edges. The base shape is square. Base shape is square. आमच्या प्रोजेक्टमध्ये आम्ही महानगरपालिका सोसायटी महानगरपालिकेचे गाडी आहे ती
अशी व्यवस्था आहे की कचऱ्याची गाडी अशीच नाही राहते जिथे कचरा डब्बा पूर्णतः भरलेला नसतो. तो कचऱ्याचा डबा तिथे कचऱ्याच्या गाडीचा वेळ आणि इंधन हे दोघेही खर्च होतो. तर आम्ही ही समस्या लक्षात घेऊन आम्ही हा एक प्रकल्प तयार केलेला आहे. आम्ही साई रेसिडेन्सी आणि वस्तीमध्ये 2 डस्टबिन लावलेले आहेत. त्या डस्टबिनमध्ये सेन्सर लावलेले आहेत आणि लोकांना एक विशिष्ट नाव दिलेले आहे. डस्टबिन नंबर 1 आणि डस्टबिन नंबर 2. जसं डस्टबिन नंबर 1 फुल झालं की नगरपालिकेमध्ये डस्टबिन नंबर 2 गाडी चालवताना झालेला आहे. फुल दिसला ज्यापर्यंत कसल्या लोक खाली करणार नाही त्यापर्यंत कचऱ्याचा डबा खाली करायचं आणि फॅक्टरीमध्ये
केल्यानंतर त्याला प्रकारांनुसार वेगळं केलं जाईल. ड्राय वेस्ट आणि वेट वेगळं केलं जाईल. ड्राय वेस्ट हा आणि त्यामुळे जो धुवा आहे त्याचा
पेंटिंगचं स्वरूपात किंवा इंकच्या स्वरूपात आणि प्रश्न लावलेला आहे. ओळख असतात त्याला प्रक्रियेत आणून आपण शेती उपयोग जसं आपण सरकारला सुचवलं की आपण असं काही करायचं आहे तर सरकार इथे प्रश्न त्याला शेतकऱ्यांना
त्याच्यामध्ये जो वेट वेस्ट टाकायचा त्याला पूर्णतः बंद करायचं. त्याच्यामध्ये ऑक्सिजनचं प्रमाण पूर्णतः कमी होतं नाही आणि त्याच्यामुळे
स्थानिक जाईल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करता येईल आणि डायजेस्ट गॅस निर्माण
जेव्हा तुम्ही कराल तेव्हा
सर्वेभ्यः नमो नमः। अहं निशा प्रातः अद्य वयं राष्ट्रीयविज्ञानदिवसम् आचरामः। विज्ञानं सर्वत्र अस्ति, तत् अस्माकं जीवनं सुकरं रमणीयं च करोति। यानि दूरभाषयन्त्राणि वयम् उपयुज्यमहे, यानि औषधानि च गृहीं, सर्वत्र विज्ञानस्य प्रभावः अस्ति। वयं विज्ञानदिवसम् आचरामः, यतः अस्मिन् दिने वैज्ञानिक सी.वी. रमण इति प्रसिद्धेन वैज्ञानिकेन रावण प्रभावः इति अद्भुतः आविष्कारः कृतः। एषः दिवसः विज्ञानस्य महत्त्वं स्मरति, तथा अस्मान् युवां छात्रान् अन्वेषणाय नूतनविचाराणां सृष्टिः च प्रेरयति। आगच्छामः, विज्ञानस्य अद्भुतजगतः प्रविशामः, नूतनानि आविष्काराणि च कुर्मः। विज्ञानदिवसस्य
आपल्या जीवनात
त्यांचे काही नाही आहे आजचे उजाडमास पण त्यांचे काही नाही शी कापूसई मादे मिना सांगो मादे मिना
तू सांग काय मराठीत सांग
Dear everyone, thank you very much for coming to the science exhibition.
गुड आणि आज कसचा दिवस आहे सांग. व्हॉट इज द स्पेशालिटी ऑफ टुडे? सायन्स डे. तुला जपानी येत आम्हाला कोणालाच काही येत नाही. काही म्हटलं असतं तरी प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे.
What is AI? In simple words, AI means machine intelligence. When computers are thinking and learning like humans, it is not just coding, but the ability to learn from data. AI in our daily lives. Examples: smartphones, Face ID and voice assistant. Example: Siri, Alexa, Google. Entertainment: recommendations from YouTube and Netflix. Navigation: Google Maps showing the way. achieved through essay and MLS cells. Education, personalized learning that changes according to every student. Is AI a threat? The big debate. Jobs. Will AI take away human jobs? Answer: no. It will create new types of jobs. Privacy. Is our data safe? Deepfakes. Staying cautious of fake videos and photos. The future. What will happen in the next 10 years? Self-driving cars. Vehicles without drivers. Space. Air robots for researching other planets. Robotics. Robots for household chores. Drawbacks of AI. High cost. Developing, maintaining and updating. AI system can be very expensive. Lack of emotions. AI cannot understand human feelings and system collect, analyze large amounts of personal data which can create privacy concerns. Science is a tool. We should use AI robots for our benefit. Has Dr. Abdul Kalam said, science is a powerful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. आजकाल आपण सगळ्याच गोष्टी ChatGPT, Google, Gemini अशा ठिकाणी विचारून इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळतो. त्यामुळे आपण आपल्या ब्रेनचा वापर कमी Good morning. I am Gayatri Panchate from class 7B. Today, I present a repetition in our daily life. Chemicals are present in food, medicine, cleaning products, and personal care items. Many people think chemicals are harmful. Most of them useful and essential. Chemicals. A chemical is any substance with a defined. Chemicals are made of atoms and molecules. They can be natural or man-made. Everything around us is made of chemicals. Example: water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and salt. Main chemicals present in salt are sodium chloride, sodium and chloride. Functions: used in cooking food, maintain fluid balance in our body. Toothpaste. Main chemicals present in toothpaste are sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, sodium sulfate. Functions: strength tooth enamel, freshens breath. Soap. Main chemical present in soap are sodium hydroxide, sodium salt of fatty acids, water. Functions: washes away germs, maintain personal hygiene. Shampoo. Main chemical present in shampoo are sodium lauryl sulfate, citric acid, and silicone. Functions: remove excess oil, makes hair soft and manageable. Baking soda. Main chemical present in baking soda are sodium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate. Functions: used in baking to make cake fluffy, used as a cleaning agent. Hand sanitizer. Main chemical present in hand sanitizer are ethanol, isotropic alcohol, and glycerin. Function: kill germs, prevent spread of infection. LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas. Main chemical present in LPG are propane, butane, ethane methane. Function: used for cooking and used for heating. Importance of chemicals in our daily life. Chemicals make our daily activity easier, help maintain hygiene and health, used in cooking and food preservation, provide energy and fuel, improve our standard of living. Chemicals are present in everywhere around us. They are useful and essential for daily life. Proper and safe usage is important. Chemistry plays a major role in modern life. Thank you. and good morning. I am Chaitanya Chaudhary from class 60. Today I am going to show you our solar system. The solar system. The solar system consists of the sun and everything bounded by gravity, include 8 planets, dwarf planets, moons, and asteroids. Sun. Sun. The sun is a massive hot glowing star at the center of our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago. It is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system because Mercury has almost no atmosphere. Its temperature swings from extremely hot during the day and physicals at night. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It's often called Earth's twin because they are nearly the same size and structure. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making the hottest planet in the solar system. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It has no natural satellite, the Moon. The blue planet and about 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. Mars. Mars is visible to the naked eye. It's often called the red planet because of its rusty iron-rich soil. Mars has 2 satellites. It's also called dusty desert, world with volcanoes, evidence that water once flowed across its surface. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is so big that than 1,000 Earth could fit inside it. Jupiter is famous for its great red spot, a massive rock that we observe on the planet for more than 300 years. Saturn. It is the second planet. It is the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a giant planet best known for its stunning rings made of ice, rocks, and dust. Like Jupiter, Saturn is made of mostly hydrogen and helium. It has 274 conform moons, including Titan, which is larger than the planet Mercury. Uranus. Uranus is an ice giant that spins on its side. Unlike any other planet, this still lives to extreme season. It's lasting over 220 years. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and the farthest planet from the Sun. It's dark, cold, and has the strongest wind in the solar system, with strokes that can move faster than the speed of sound. English Prasad from 8th. Today I am presenting you the presentation on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched on 2nd October 2014 on birth anniversary of Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi to promote cleanliness across India. As Mahatma Gandhi said, sanitation is more important than independence. अर्थात स्वातंत्र्यापेक्षा स्वच्छता अधिक महत्त्वाची आहे. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan started by the government of India for making our country clean and green country. Its aim to promote cleanliness across nations. As citizen of India, always remember that do not throw any type of garbage anywhere. Just throw in dustbin and keep our surroundings clean. At the end, I want to say that be the change you wish to see in the world. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Chaitanya Bharavate from Standard 9. Today I am presenting PPT on effects of social media. Let's start. Introduction. Social media plays an important role in students' life. It has both positive and negative effects. Popular platforms of social media: WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube. It is the popular platforms of social media. Positive effects: access to learning resources, improves communication, knowledge sharing, learn new things easily, share ideas and creativity. Negative effects: addiction, time wastage, poor concentration, cyberbullying, mental health issues. Academic impact: distraction during studies, reduced performance, poor sleep habits. Health impact: stress and anxiety, low self-esteem, eye strain, lack of physical activity. Social behavior impact: reduced face-to-face interaction, dependence on virtual approval. Role of parents and teachers: monitoring screen time, guide responsible usage, and encourage offline activities. Responsible use tips: set time limits, follow educational content, avoid oversharing, avoid strangers online, and think before posting. Conclusion: social media is useful if used it properly. Balance is the key. Too much use is harmful. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I'd like to represent my PPT on the topic of network. Before starting my PPT, I will give some information about this year's theme, Women in Science Guidelines in the Leadership. So now I starting my PPT. In this PPT, I cover the topics like structure of network, functions of network, and first we see what is network. There are about millions of nephrons present in each human being. Nephron helps to remove the nitrogenous waste from our body like urea. Then we see the structure of nephron. Nephron is divided into the 5 parts. First is the Bowman's capsule. Second is the PCTM is proximal communicant tubule. And third is the leucopendule. Fourth is the DCTM is distal communicant tubule. And fifth is the connective duct. Now we see the functions of the nephron. First, we see the thinner corpuscle, then next the glomerular filtrate composed by water, ions and minerals. Flexible formulated tissue layers of sodium, chloride, water, glucose, amino acids, bicarbonate, calcium and phosphate. Then glucose layers of water, layers of sodium and chloride, layers of ammonium, sodium and chloride. And density layers of sodium and chloride and connecting the layers of sodium and chloride and water. Then we see the types of nephron. There are two types of nephron, cortical nephron and juxtamedullary nephron. Cortical nephron leukophile is short and juxtamedullary leukophile is long. There are about 81% is cortical nephron and 50% is juxtamedullary nephron. With that, I conclude my PPT. Thank you. Begin.
Good morning, respected colleagues and dear friends. I am Aditya Barade. I am going on the National Science Day. I am going to present Raman effect, the great discovery by Sir C. Raman, which changed the molecular world. National Science Day is celebrated to honor the discovery of the Raman effect, which was developed by 1928 by Sir C. Raman. For this groundbreaking work, he received the Nobel Prize, which is most precious award globally, in 1930 in physics, becoming the first Asian to get the Nobel Prize in science. Now the question is, what is Raman? Raman effect is the change in wavelength of light when it interacts with molecules. When the light is passed through transparent substance, most of the light goes without any scattering, but a small fraction changes its wavelength. The light which goes without any wavelength change is known as relative light, but a small change in its energy is known as Stokes and anti-Stokes lines. Stokes and anti-Stokes lines gives information about molecular vibrations. The shift in frequency is called as Raman. The above figure shown is Raman spectrometer, which was originally developed by Sir C. Raman in his laboratory. Raman spectroscopy has so much importance in chemistry. It is used by chemists to identify unknown substances which destroy them. It gives information about chemical bonds and molecular symmetry. It is used widely in pharmaceutical industries for checking purity of tablets and in forensic science in analyzing crime scene samples. Space research missions with nanotechnology, food adulteration, water purity, etc. The discovery made in 1928 is still shaping the modern science. C.V. Raman said that science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We can take conclusion as the Raman effect proves that even simple observations can lead to revolutionary discoveries. On this National Science Day, let's develop the scientific curiosity and continue exploring the world of molecular science.
तो मास्टर झाला की तुझ्या छान संस्कार
ऑफ करावं लागेल नंतर सुरू करायचं तर ऑफ कसं करतो पुढं
Thank you.
खाली बसून जाणार.
असं करा 2 चेअर मॅडम तुम्ही अरे या